Hey everybody, here's a quick little mini lesson on writing ratios. All right. So the question says determine the ratio of baseballs to all balls. Okay. So the key word for this problem here, and come over here and grab a marker or a pencil. Okay. The key word here is all. Okay. So determine the ratio of baseballs to all balls. So looks like we have a total of 1, 2, and 3 baseballs. So I'm going to put a 3 right here. And then we need to write the ratio of baseballs to all balls, right? So notice the baseballs are considered balls. So altogether we're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the ratio is going to be 3 to 8. And that's the ratio of baseballs to all balls. And remember, you can write that with a colon or as a fraction, 3 over 8. Or you can write that as 3 and then the word 2, 8. Like that. And that's it.